Hello, Olivia. Today's sound is I, 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 I. I think you might remember it when we did insects on your arm. Insects on your arm. Do you remember? I'm going to hold up these cards. So we've got insect. And we've got this one. Invitation. And that's what you get when you go to a party. Instrument. And the last one, it's a monkey. And he said, itch. Instruments. Invitation. Insect. Itch. Insect. Let's see if you can do them with me. Instrument. Invitation. Itchy. Insect. And I'm going to put the insect up here. There he is. And when we write him, we go down his body and we go insect. Again, insect. Insect. I hope you're doing that with me. Insect. And then if I put this next to him, I'm going to try and draw one. Oh, it's hard for Nanny to do it this way. So we go I'll do another one. And I've got this one to show you. What's this one? Insect. 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 Hope you're doing it now. One more. Good. Now I'm going to put it with the other ones. I've got him somewhere. A new sound. There he is. Now I'm going to hold them up. Good. Well done. Now we're going to handwrite it in the air. So I'll do it first and then you can do it with me. So we start here and we go down his body. We say, Insect. Let's do it together now. Insect. So we're doing the dot on the top of his head. Insect. Okay, now see if you can do it on paper. And I'll do it in the air. Insect. Insect. Okay. Now I want you to write these. You ready? Now I'm going to say them, and I want you to write them to see if you can remember. D, M, S, I, A, T. Good. Now Fred's going to help me now. We're going to do these ones in Fred Talk. Let's move it in a bit. That's the sound we did today. I, N. I, N. I, N. In. Now that was my turn. Now it's your turn. You might not be able to get the N sound. P, I, N. P, I, N. P, I, N. Pin. You should be able to get this one. S, I, T. S, I, T. S, I, T. Sit. And this one's another sound that we haven't learned. T, I, P. T, I, P. T, I, P. Tip. Okay, so that's nice and short today, but the words that we did yesterday, when you get a moment, you've got to do those again after this one. So you've been really good, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.